Hi, it's Corrine. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I wanted to show you the new Scrapbook magnetic glass craft mat by Glassboard Studios, and I do have a discount code down in the description box below. They are currently, as of this video, November 25th, running several specials, so check out the description box below. You'll find more information along with a discount code, and if you use my code, which is my name, Corrine, it'll automatically give you the discount on any and all of their products at checkout. So this new Scrapbook magnetic glass mat, I did post about it last week because I wanted to let you all know about the sale that they're having, but I finally got it in my hands and it is so nice. So it comes boxed beautifully, very securely, and it does have this removable sticker that is very easy to remove, and it just kind of gives you a little information on it. So this magnetic glass craft mat is total in size 14 by 26. It'll hold two 12 by 12 layouts. So it's got a 12 by 24 scrapbook grid, and you'll see there it has different angles and center lines. It's got a 30-degree angle, a 45, and a 60-degree angle. It also has photo border sizes. It has standard greeting card sizes, so you'll find like a 5 by 7 in portrait mode and in landscape mode. It has 2 by 2, super useful. You'll see that on both sides of the mat, and it does divide right down the center, so you can have two 12 by 12 pages butted up right next to each other if you'd like to continue a pattern going across. So this new mat is amazing. It's just like their other ones where it's magnetic. It has the non-slip feet on the back, super easy to clean, so you can use it whether you're making cards or painting, ink blending, whatever you like to do. My favorite is that you don't have to worry about glue on it. You just use a little alcohol or a baby wipe and it wipes off. And I've shown this in previous videos. They also have this Hexaflex organizer set. I'm super excited because I just ordered another one because I love it. You can kind of configure it however you want, and it does have those little insert pieces. Like here I don't have any, so it can hold my bottles. I'm looking forward to getting the second set so I can have all my products out. And I do currently have this set up next to my regular Glassboard. I think it's an 18 by 24. Here are the new mag ink trays. These are amazing. So they magnetize to your workstation. They hold a standard size ink, and they also have a funnel, so if you wanted to use them for beads, you can funnel your beads directly back into your packaging. They are strong. You can see I'm really pushing on them. They don't move, and they're perfect for ink blending. They also have magnets like I've talked about in previous videos, and these new craft catchers I am obsessed with. I use them for scraps, I use them for die cuts, I use them to keep my dies in place. I kind of set up my workstation to show you how I use them, but I really do use them every single project. They kind of butt right up next to your glass mat, and they'll work with any glass mat that you have, and they're perfect to just kind of keep your workspace clean. I usually use one for trash, one for die cuts, and then one for dies that I'm currently working with. So check out their website. You'll find lots of sales going on through Black Friday, and as I mentioned below, I have a discount code in the description box. Thanks so much for watching, and hope you have a great Thanksgiving.